Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to better health that are sweeping across America in 2025? We're talking about the trends and technologies that are changing the game when it comes to how we eat, move, and even think about our health. From cutting-edge fitness tech to the foods Americans can't stop talking about, we're diving into the trends transforming how the USA stays healthy. And you won't want to miss this. First up, let's talk tech. Because in 2025, your fitness tracker might know you better than your doctor. These devices are becoming more advanced every year, integrating cutting-edge technology to provide insights that were once only available in a clinical setting. Okay, maybe not quite yet, but we're getting close. The advancements in wearable technology are truly remarkable, and they are changing the way we approach fitness and health. Seriously though, wearable devices like the Apple Watch Ultra and Whoop Band are taking fitness monitoring to the next level, giving Americans real-time insights into their sleep, stress, and workouts. These devices are not just accessories, they are powerful tools that can help you understand your body better. And it's not just about counting steps anymore, it's about heart rate variability, oxygen levels, and even recovery time. These metrics provide a comprehensive picture of your overall health and fitness, allowing you to make more informed decisions about your lifestyle. These are the metrics that can give you a much deeper understanding of how your body is responding to exercise and stress. By paying attention to these details, you can optimize your workouts and recovery periods, ensuring that you are getting the most out of your efforts. But here's the thing, data is only useful if you know how to use it. It's one thing to have access to all this information, but it's another to interpret it correctly and apply it to your daily routine. Are you using these tools to their full potential? Are you taking the time to understand what the data is telling you and making necessary adjustments to your lifestyle? Are you taking the time to analyze your data and make adjustments to your routine? This is crucial because the real benefits come from making informed changes based on the insights provided by your fitness tracker. That's where the real magic happens. When you start to see the connection between your habits and the data, you can make meaningful changes that improve your health and well-being. For example, let's say your fitness tracker shows that you're not getting enough deep sleep. This information can be a game changer, as sleep is crucial for recovery and overall health. You can use that information to adjust your sleep hygiene, like creating a relaxing bedtime routine or making sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in your sleep quality, or maybe your heart rate variability is low, which can be a sign of overtraining. This is a critical metric that can help you avoid burnout and injuries. This is your cue to take a rest day or focus on active recovery. Listening to your body and the data can help you maintain a balanced and effective fitness routine. The point is, these devices can be incredibly powerful tools for improving your health, but only if you're willing to put in the effort. It's about being proactive and using the data to guide your decisions. And look, I get it. It can be overwhelming trying to keep up with all the latest gadgets and gizmos. The market is flooded with options and it can be hard to know which one is right for you. But trust me, the benefits are worth it. When you find the right device and learn how to use it effectively, it can make a world of difference in your fitness journey. When you have access to this kind of data, you can start to make small, sustainable changes that can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. It's about making informed choices and staying consistent. So, if you're not already using a fitness tracker, I highly recommend giving one a try. Start with something simple and gradually explore its features. And if you are, make sure you're taking advantage of all the amazing features these devices have to offer. Dive into the data, understand what it means, and use it to enhance your fitness and health journey. Forget one-size-fits-all diets. Americans are now customizing their meals like never before. Thanks to advancements in DNA testing and microbiome analysis, companies like Inside Tracker and Viomi are creating nutrition plans tailored to your body's unique needs. We're talking about getting down to the nitty-gritty of your genes and gut bacteria to understand how your body processes food and what nutrients you might be lacking. It's like having a personalized nutritionist in your pocket. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds expensive. And yes, some of these services can be a bit pricey. But the truth is, personalized nutrition is becoming increasingly accessible. Whether you're in New York or Los Angeles, these services are helping Americans optimize their diets for energy, weight loss, and even better digestion. And let's be real, investing in your health is always worth it. But personalized nutrition goes beyond just taking a test and getting a meal plan. It's about understanding your own body and what makes it thrive. It's about paying attention to how different foods make you feel and making adjustments accordingly. Maybe you discover that you feel more energized when you eat a certain way or that certain foods upset your stomach. This kind of self-awareness is invaluable when it comes to making healthy choices. The bottom line is this: your body is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Personalized nutrition is about ditching the fad diets and finding what truly works for you. It's about nourishing your body from the inside out and feeling your absolute best. Chapter 3. The Rise of Telehealth. Another game changer? Telehealth. This innovative approach to healthcare has been steadily gaining traction, especially in recent years. With over 60% of Americans now opting for virtual doctor visits, healthcare is more accessible than ever. This shift is not just a trend but a significant transformation in how we receive medical care. Whether you're in a rural town in Montana or a bustling city like Chicago, platforms like Teladoc and Amwell are bringing top-notch care to your fingertips. These services are bridging the gap between patients and healthcare providers, making it easier for everyone to get the care they need. No waiting rooms, no long drives, just quality care whenever you need it. Imagine being able to consult with a healthcare professional from the comfort of your own home, without the hassle of commuting or waiting in line. Now, I know some people were skeptical about telehealth at first. Concerns about the effectiveness and security of virtual consultations were common. But the truth is, it's revolutionizing the way we access healthcare. Studies have shown that telehealth can be just as effective as in-person visits for many conditions, and the technology has proven to be secure and reliable. It's especially beneficial for people who live in rural areas or have mobility issues that make it difficult to get to a doctor's office. For these individuals, telehealth can be a lifeline, providing access to medical care that might otherwise be out of reach. And let's be honest, who wants to sit in a waiting room surrounded by sick people when you could be talking to your doctor from the comfort of your own home? The convenience factor alone is a huge draw for many people. But telehealth is about more than just convenience, it's also about improving the quality of care. By leveraging technology, healthcare providers can offer more personalized and timely care. It's also about improving the quality of care. With telehealth, doctors can often spend more time with their patients, addressing their concerns and answering their questions. This can lead to better health outcomes and more satisfied patients. With telehealth, doctors can often spend more time with their patients, addressing their concerns and answering their questions. Plus, it allows for more frequent check-ins, which can be helpful for managing chronic conditions. Regular monitoring and follow-ups can make a significant difference in managing diseases like diabetes or hypertension. And let's not forget about the cost savings. Telehealth visits are often less expensive than in-person visits, which can make a big difference for people without insurance or with high deductibles. The financial aspect is a crucial factor for many families. Telehealth visits are often less expensive than in-person visits, which can make a big difference for people without insurance or with high deductibles. This affordability can make healthcare more accessible to a broader population. Of course, telehealth isn't a replacement for in-person care in all cases. There are still times when you'll need to see a doctor in person. Certain conditions and treatments require a physical examination or hands-on care. There are still times when you'll need to see a doctor in person. However, for many routine consultations and follow-ups, telehealth is a viable and effective option. But for many people, telehealth offers a convenient, affordable, and high-quality option for receiving healthcare. As technology continues to advance, the potential for telehealth to improve our healthcare system is immense. Chapter 4. Mental wellness is a priority. America is also waking up to the importance of mental health. More and more people are recognizing that mental wellness is not just a luxury, but a necessity for a balanced and fulfilling life. From meditation apps like Calm and Headspace to therapy platforms like BetterHelp, millions of Americans are investing in their emotional well-being. These tools are becoming as common as fitness apps, and for good reason. The stigma is fading, and it's about time. People are starting to understand that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. If you're not already prioritizing your mental health, 2025 is the year to start. It's never too late to take the first step towards a healthier mind. For too long, mental health has been treated as a taboo subject. But the conversation is changing, and more people are opening up about their experiences. But the reality is, mental health is just as important as physical health. You wouldn't ignore a broken leg, so why ignore your mental well-being? They're interconnected, and you can't have one without the other. A healthy mind supports a healthy body, and vice versa. The good news is that we're finally starting to have more open and honest conversations about mental health. This openness is helping to break down barriers and encourage more people to seek help. People are feeling more comfortable talking about their struggles and seeking help when they need it. This shift is creating a more supportive and understanding community, and with the rise of technology, there are more resources available than ever before. Whether it's through apps, online therapy, or virtual support groups, help is just a click away. Whether you prefer meditation, therapy, or simply journaling, there's a tool out there to help you manage your mental health. These practices can be tailored to fit your lifestyle and needs. Now, I know some people might be hesitant to try therapy or meditation. It's normal to feel unsure about something new, but trust me, it's not as scary as you might think. Once you take that first step, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Think of it like going to the gym for your brain. Just as physical exercise strengthens your body, mental exercises can strengthen your mind. Just like exercise strengthens your body, therapy and meditation can strengthen your mind. They help build resilience and improve your ability to cope with life's challenges, and the benefits are undeniable. People who engage in these practices often report feeling more balanced, focused, and at peace. Studies have shown that therapy and meditation can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. These practices can provide a sense of calm and clarity. They can also improve sleep, focus, and overall well-being. A well-rested mind is more capable of handling daily stresses and making better decisions. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or just not like yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for help. There are many options available, and finding the right one can make a world of difference. There's no shame in taking care of your mental health. In fact, it's one of the most important things you can do for yourself and those around you. From high-tech fitness trackers to personalized nutrition and the growing focus on mental wellness, these trends are shaping the way Americans approach health in 2025. The best part? These innovations are here to make your life easier, healthier, and happier. So, what are you waiting for? Join the movement and make this your healthiest year yet. Remember, taking care of your health isn't about following the latest fads or trying to be perfect. It's about making small, sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle and make you feel good. So, listen to your body, experiment with different approaches, and find what works best for you. Don't forget to hit and share this video with someone who needs a little health inspiration. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite trend and which one are you excited to try? See you in the next video.